What's up, guys? Welcome to Homecraft Cocktails. Cocktails you can make from the comfort of your home. My name is Briss, and after an 8-month-long hiatus, we are finally back. Sorry for the wait. Life just happened, so it got put on the back burner for a bit. But we're back now, back to making excellent cocktails for you excellent people. And so without further ado, today we're going to go over today's cocktail, which is a modern classic called the Paper Plane. The Paper Plane was created by bartender Sam Ross for the opening menu of the Violet Hour in Chicago back in 2008. It was inspired by The Last Word, another renowned classic cocktail, and was named after MIA's Paper Planes, which was a very popular song back in 2008. Built with equal parts bourbon, Aperol, Amaro Nonino, and lemon juice, it quickly became one of the standout cocktails of its era. In 2020, it was officially added to the International Bartenders Association cocktail list, which essentially stamped it as a modern classic for real. And now that brief history lesson out of the way, let's get down to actually making the drink. So like I said before, this is an equal parts cocktail, so all the ingredients will have the exact same amount. So first we're gonna start off with 3/4 of an ounce of bourbon, and today we're using Buffalo Trace. Next, we're going to do 3/4 of an ounce of Aperol. Aperol is a slightly sweet, but yet still bitter aperitif liqueur. Next, we'll do 3/4 of an ounce of Amaro Nonino Quintessentia. It is an Italian herb liqueur that has hints of orange, herbs, obviously, spices, but yet is still balanced and smooth. You can get it for about $40 at your local liquor store or your grocery stores that also sell alcohol. Then we'll do 3/4 of an ounce of fresh squeezed lemon juice. Roll it here to express all those oils inside of there so we can get some good yield. Then we're going to add ice to our shaker, shake for about 10 to 15 seconds, and then strain into our coupe glass. And there we have the Paper Plane. Now we have our drink. Let's give it a taste. Oh, that's nice. Okay, that's good. The Paper Plane is bright, citrusy, and perfectly balanced. You get fresh lemon up front, a little warmth from the bourbon, and then a nice, smooth, bittersweet finish from the Amaro Nonino and the Aperol. So it's refreshing, slightly herbal, and honestly just super easy to drink. Definitely a modern classic for good reason. With that being said, thank you guys for watching. Please drink responsibly, and I'll catch you next week for the next round. Peace.